inner fenders from RC 4-wheel drive. Front inner fenders. Got a new set of metal sliders. And this is what I really want to see. These are a set of the SSD slot wheels. Silver based. There's the part number if y'all want to see them. Spiders. There's the part number. A racing part number on the scale hooks. And RC 4-wheel drive inner fenders. Give you the part number on them. So now do a few little upgrades upon this thing. It's got no plastic stock sliders, and I'm going to use these on a different crawler of mine, and I've got a set of tires from Boom Racing. I think it looks good up on this thing. They're 1.9. That's a sweet set of scale tires for it. And also got a new RC 4-wheel drive tough bumper with a look like a brand new water winch I got off of eBay for $55. I figured I'd show y'all what I got in the mail today. If you like my video, subscribe,
7, 6, 5,
share
4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
See you next time.
Oh, this you crazy mother.